Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make Japanese curry rice. Have you ever eaten Japanese curry rice? So it's very delicious and I love it. It's milder and thicker than Indian curry. And so I recommend to try it. Today I will make our standard Japanese curry. I will use our curry roux, and I think it's our most popular curry roux. So let's get started. Vermont curry is our very standard curry in Japan, and I saw the commercial in Japan so as a child, and maybe there are 3 types of spice hot, so mild and medium hot and hot. So I like spicy curry, so I choose hottest one. Okay, these are the vegetables for curry. First, onions, carrot, and potatoes. I think it's very healthy Japanese curry. We put these vegetables, and meat is sliced pork today. So I like sliced pork for curry. So, but you can choose chicken or pork block or beef. Okay, let's begin. Okay, let's cut the ingredients. First, I cut the onion into wedges. So I cut half onion and like this. So maybe I think the Japanese curry is the ingredients is very a little big. So so it's point cut the ingredients into bite sizes, so we can enjoy the vegetables taste. Okay, next, potato. So peel the potato. So I use the potatoes are not to collapse easily. So half. Okay. Okay, I cut the potatoes and I prepare this water and put the potatoes in it. The potatoes after cutting, it's easy to be changed the color. The color is changed easily, so I put in this and maybe soak for 10 minutes. It's okay. But if you stir fry soon, it's not necessary. So yes. Okay, finally I cut the pork slices into 4 centimeter pieces. Okay, let's do pan fried or stir fry the vegetables and meat. And I use rice brown oil to fry. So I use it instead to the salad oil because salad oil includes the trans fatty acid, so I use it. Okay, the oil is heating, so I put the sliced pork. Okay, when the color of pork is changed, remove them and transfer to a pot. And stir fry. Add the carrot. And potato. This step is very important to make a delicious Japanese curry rice. It prevents the vegetables from breaking up, falling apart, especially potatoes. It's very easy to collapse, fall apart, and maybe the roux is a little too thick part. So yes, it's important. Okay, I return the sliced pork and add the water. Okay, when the broth is boiling, reduce the heat and skim the scum. Okay, then put a lid and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, this one. Okay, but broken. Okay, I broke the roux apart into pieces and add it. Okay, and let's dissolve. Okay, the rice is cooked, so open it. I simmered the curry, so I I want to check the today's rice. Delicious. Today's rice not wetty, not too wetty, so maybe it goes well with the curry. So much vegetables and pork belly.それではいただきます。Japanese curry is delicious. So recently I didn't eat Japanese curry. I made Indian curry. But it's very tasty and quickly. I think Japanese curry, we can enjoy the vegetables, to eat vegetables, potato and carrot and onion. It's very healthy. You can eat vegetables and take nutrients from the curry. And the Vermont curry is a very standard roux in Japan, and I choose hottest one, but it's very mild. So if you like spicy, so you can put the red pepper. And Japanese curry is thicker, and it goes well with the rice. So good. Today I cooked the standard recipe, but you can enjoy the taste change. You can enjoy the other ingredients. Add other ingredients, honey or chocolate or coffee, instant coffee powder. You can enjoy your favorite taste. Thank you for watching my video. This recipe is very standard to make a curry, Japanese curry, so please try it. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.